morning, friends, and happy Thursday. Last night, Brian and I carried in the totes for Christmas, and I actually started gathering a lot of my Christmas breakables out of the kitchen and places around the house that I had it, and I have put it all here on the table, and I am going to start wrapping all of this stuff up and packing it away. I normally don't really start putting my Christmas stuff away until after New Year's, but I'm like, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's start off the new year fresh and clean up and get stuff back to normal. So that's pretty much what I have been doing. Like I said, I kind of started bringing some stuff in here last night, but I didn't start packing up anything. I just kind of knew that I wouldn't be able to do that later last night, so I didn't, but I'm gonna start doing it now. So this is pretty much what today is gonna be, is putting away Christmas decorations. It's probably gonna take me a couple of days, not sure, maybe today and tomorrow, and then it's supposed to rain. So as far as putting these totes back in the man cave, I'm not sure that's gonna happen anytime soon. These might be sitting here until after it rains. But hopefully if we can catch like in between rains, then Brian and I can carry these upstairs and we can be done with it and it'd be great. But it's supposed to start raining like this afternoon, and it's supposed to rain for like the next 7 days. So that's gonna be so much fun. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping up this stuff. I have a ton of this paper, which I absolutely love. I have a ton of this paper, and this stuff is amazing. Some have holes in it, but I still use it anyway because I could double up on that. So it just helps to pack all of my stuff nice so they don't break. So yeah, that's what today's gonna consist of, is packing up all of the Christmas stuff. So let's get on. I started cleaning off this, I cleaned off this area too, just so you guys can see that. I cleaned that off. So yeah, so let's go ahead and, let's get started with putting Christmas decorations away. It seems like I just got them all out. But see, with the transition of Christmas, I start putting Valentine's stuff out. So, yay for Valentine's, bye-bye Christmas, hello Valentines. Alright you guys, so I have made some serious progress trying to get all of my Christmas decorations put away. I filled up these two totes, which the lid needs to go back on here. Oh, why does it keep popping off? Okay, those two totes. Obviously, I've cleared my table, so I have more room for more stuff. All of these totes are filled up, and these ones right here are all filled up. I'm starting this one right now, and yes, and this stuff has, this box has my snowmen back in it again. And this one has my other snowmen back in it, so I just gotta find a house for these guys. And then I have all of these other totes to go through. We did not get the bag for my Christmas tree out yet. I just figured I'd wait till the Christmas tree is completely empty before I get my bag out for the tree. And yeah, it's a lot easier to put it away than it is to get it all out, it seems. But now I have like a nice mess throughout my house, but it'll all get cleaned up eventually. I still have to take the stuff off the top of my refrigerator. Some of the stuff I have up here on my cabinets, so I have to take that stuff down, which is good. I have warming up my soup. My nose is itching, sorry. I'm warming up my soup that I made yesterday, which was my spinach and artichoke soup. I am so excited just to sit down and eat that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I kind of started getting the rest of my stuff put away and out again. I've got to put these away. These ones are glass, so that's why these ones stay in here. These are glass Christmas balls, so I always put those away in a very safe place as not to break those. So, but anyway, coming along really, really well. I have a pile started of a few things that I'm still gonna get rid of, but yeah. So tiring. But I'm gonna stir up my soup and I'm gonna have some lunch. I'll check back with you guys in a little while. Alrighty, so I finished my lunch and it was delicious. And then while I was eating, the mail ran and I ordered 3 of these like little pajama bottoms, little comfortable pajama bottoms. These are so cute and I'm so excited to wear them. I got the polka dots, I got a gray with floral and like a black or gray with floral. These I'm really excited to wear just around the house, comfortable little pants. These I ordered off of Amazon. Yes, hello, I'm addicted to Amazon. And I will leave a link to these in the description box below if anybody's interested in these. I haven't tried them on yet, but they do look very comfortable, but I'll try them on sometime and I'll let you guys know. And then I did order like a new, kind of like a thin sweater. This is supposed to be like an off the shoulder sweater. So I will also link this below. This was something that I was thinking about wearing for New Year's, but I'm not sure yet, depending on how well it fits. It kind of looks a little short, so I'm a little skeptical about short shirts. But anyway, other than that, back to putting Christmas decorations away, because that seems to be the... All right, so back to putting Christmas decorations away. I know, like I said, I wasn't going to get all of it done today. Totally knew that was going to happen, but at least I can get some of this stuff done. And maybe Brian will be home before the rain starts and he can put some of these other totes away. That way I have more room. But for now, I'm going to go throw this stuff in the wash machine and continue cleaning. All right, you guys, so every tote right here is filled up, including this one. And then of course I still have those 2 over there that are filled up. I have this tree that I have to put away in a box, this pillow that has to be put away, and that just goes in one of my little pillow totes. I have this. I'm actually keeping these out because I like these little houses, not the ones with snow on them, but the ones that don't have the snow on them. I have to put this away, find a spot for that one, and look at how sad. My mantle is getting dismantled and everything's coming down. I've already started taking some of the ornaments off the trees, like the bigger ornaments that don't fit in my little box here. Let's see, my ladder is empty. I've cleared off everything right here. Obviously everything is a mess right now because I've been taking everything down. So now it's going to be, once this tree comes down and everything with it, it means it's going to be a nice thorough cleaning of everything, a dusting, a wipe down, a vacuuming, cleaning up everything. Even this has been stripped. This has been stripped. I actually just kind of put this right here for now. I actually need to move this wreath up. It needs to kind of go more in the center there. Then I can dust all this stuff down. My bedroom is a mess, but it's coming, everything's off in there. So yeah, everything is, oh, I gotta take that sign down, but everything in the kitchen is pretty much gone as well. So I've obviously rinsed out or washed up all of my glass jars that I use, like that had like little salt in it, the bath salts with little Christmas trees in it. This had like my little snowballs and stuff in it. Again, this is my area. I still have to put that away. I still need to take down my wreaths right there. My garland here I have to take down. And then I need to obviously take all that stuff off there and dust. So yeah, it has been quite the productive day. And I am like pooped. I am like freaking wore out from just doing this. But it's nice to have it all done. Oh, I forgot about that tree. Dang it. That tree up there and that Christmas sign. So, yeah, I still have a lot of things I got to get done and do. But for the most part, everything's coming along rather nicely. And everything's coming down very nicely. I've also taken stuff down outside by my front door. That stuff has to come down, so I did. My wreath and that's still on the front door because I need to find a spot for that. So that's still there. My trees are still there and my garland is still up, so that'll be probably another day. But yeah, for the most part everything is done. I need to go take the load of laundry out of there and hang it up because that's cold water wash. Those are those little pants that I just got in mail earlier. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I'm pretty much done. I just gotta straighten everything up now and make it a little more presentable and livable in here for the most part. But Brian probably won't be home till about 4, I'm guessing. And I think the rain isn't supposed to start until around 6. So we might get lucky and be able to put majority of those totes up, and then he could bring my bag down for the tree and we will be good to go. So like probably tomorrow, I'll have everything pretty much finished and put away. And then I can start cleaning and just kind of start putting stuff back to normal and getting out some of that Valentine's stuff. That's the other thing I gotta do. So that means I'm gonna have to dig in that closet back there and get all the Valentine stuff out. So yeah, but it just kind of looks sad. Everything's empty. It's so sad, but must keep going. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Sorry that it was a boring day. I just want to get this stuff done. That way I can focus on just other things. That way this is all done. So I got to focus on Valentine's Day decorating. That's what I got to focus on. I don't have nearly as much stuff for Valentine's Day that I do for Christmas, obviously. But still, nonetheless, I still get my Valentine's stuff out and I still decorate my house up for Valentine's. So that's it, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. I hope you guys had a great day. I will see you guys. I already said all this. Okay, bye.